Now we are dividing one solid object with the help of a cutting plane. Here we have one cylindrical object. If I am cutting this cylinder with the help of a cutting plane parallel to the base of the cylinder, since the base of the cylinder is a circle, I will get a circle in the sectional top view. Similarly, if I am cutting the cylinder with the help of a cutting plane making some inclination with the base of the cylinder or with a horizontal plane, I will get an elliptical shape in top view. So sectional top view is an ellipse. Instead of a cutting plane inclined to HP, if I am taking a cutting plane inclined or parallel to VP, so I am taking a cutting plane parallel to VP here, I will get a rectangle in the front view. So depending upon the orientation of the cutting plane, we will get a different shapes. So now we are studying various planes. I think you all are familiar with the reference or principal planes HP and VP. They will appear like a straight line in front view. The horizontal plane appear like a straight line in front view. The vertical plane will appear like a straight line in top view. Similarly, our auxiliary cutting planes will appear like straight lines in either front view or top view. Let's see that. First, we are taking the auxiliary vertical plane or a sectional plane making inclination with the vertical plane. So in that case, the plane is always perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So this cutting plane is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and making some inclination with the vertical plane. It will appear like a straight line which is making some inclination with the XY line in top view. So a plane perpendicular to HP and making inclination with the VP will appear like a straight line inclined to XY line in top view. Second case, a plane, auxiliary section plane, it is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. In that case, the plane will appear like a straight line in front view. So you can draw a straight line in front view above XY line. So that will indicate the section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Final case, side plane or profile plane. You will get the left side view or right side view on the plane perpendicular to both the HP and the VP. Actually, we discussed this case. So I hope you remember this. So we have different conditions based on the orientation of the cutting planes.